Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by locking in essentials: binary math, logic gates, basic algorithms, and core data types. Once done, create a 6-week plan with daily 60 to 90-minute focus sessions so momentum builds. Make sure to collect the syllabus, past papers, a recommended textbook, and a reliable IDE. These are your tools. Start a single project now, a simple calculator or sorting visualizer, to apply concepts immediately. This prevents passive reading and forces debugging, which accelerates true understanding. Next, escalate by building 3 projects: a small utility, an intermediate app, then an integrated system combining data structures and I/O. While developing, practice 50 past problems under timed conditions, covering all topics, and review every mistake to identify patterns. Once comfortable, use pair programming and attend office hours weekly for targeted feedback. Code reviews reveal blind spots you won't spot alone. This phase deepens problem solving and teaches you how to write clean, testable code. To finish, run full simulated exams twice weekly, under real timing and constraints, then score and refine weak areas. This builds stamina and reveals exam patterns. Make sure every solution includes clear pseudocode, time complexity notes, and concise comments so grading is effortless. If you hit a roadblock, isolate the smallest failing case, write a quick unit test, and then ask your teacher or peer with that specific example. This focused troubleshooting saves hours and converts errors into reliable knowledge before exam day.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.